Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your digital receipts on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your digital receipts on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right-hand corner. Then go ahead and click on Purchase History in the top-hand side. Afterwards, you can either find your digital receipts on an online order, or if you click on In-Store, just click on your in-store order, then click on View Receipt. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your digital receipts on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.